Your next stop is Hoover Dam.
Austin.
At 900 feet, keep left.
And Cooper. Another road trip to go sightseeing in Las Vegas. See you guys around. To Hoover Dam. First time going there, even though we used to live here.
Yep. There it is.
At the roundabout, take the third exit onto State Route 172. Then take a slight right turn. Take a slight right turn onto State Route 172.
There's a checkpoint.
In 1.2 miles, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Hoover Dam Access Road.
It says visitors welcome, 5 a.m. to 9 p.m.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Take the second exit onto Hoover Dam Access Road.
At the roundabout, take the second exit to Hoover Dam Access Road.
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto Hoover Dam Access Road. In 3/4 of a mile, turn right into the parking lot.
Trucks with trailers, vehicles, hello.
In 1/4 mile, turn right on Hoover Dam Access Road.
Someone's on that side here.
Proceed to the route. Proceed to the route.
Mile,
Proceed to the
arrive at
route.
Hoover Dam on the right.
Watch where you're going, please.
Proceed to the route. 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 Proceed to the route.
In 400 feet, arrive at Hoover
Proceed to
Dam
the route.
on the right.
Proceed to the route. about 1.5 miles at the roundabout, take the first exit onto State Route 172. Proceed to the route. Proceed to the route.
I'm not gonna walk.
Proceed to the route. 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 Proceed to the route.
That is the Hoover
Proceed to the
Dam.
route. Proceed to the route.
Come on. Really?
Proceed to the route. Proceed to the route.
That's it. I'm just gonna pay attention.
Proceed to the route.
Over
Proceed to the route. Proceed to the route. Proceed to the route.
We're going back. We're not crossing over Arizona.
In about 2 miles at the roundabout, take the first exit onto State Route 172.
Stop for the person.
Yay, finally came here. Yeah, it's dog friendly. Except for Austin.
No. Oh, there's a food and gifts. Souvenir. Never mind. There you go, boys. We went to Hoover Dam. And Austin just barked and barked. Right, Austin? Austin boy. Busy, busy.
Never been here before, Mom.
And Cooper. Cooper's just hiding. Hiding all the time.